Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay and I hope you are doing great. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful dashboard for responsive toggle sidebar for beginners in Angular 21. Yes, in Angular 21. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So first, I will show you my Angular version. So guys, very happy to tell you Angular 21 has been launched. See, great NG version 21.0.1. So the latest version and see the beautiful dashboard layout for beginners. See the toggle sidebar works well. See, and the content section. My friends, it's responsive as well. So no need to worry about responsiveness. See, will work for all the devices. And we can make it good for further use as well. And after it, I will come with more things for this dashboard. So for this is now. And friends, here is the code that I have made. And also I will share the code snippet link inside this video description. So no need to worry about responsiveness. Here is the see latest version. And here's my folder structure. See the dashboard and the layouts. Inside layout, I have made the header sidebar and the main layout component as well. The main all the wrap inside app.html file. So that's it. And friends, like I said, I will share the code snippet link inside this video description. So no need to worry about responsiveness and code structure as well. And friends, also please subscribe my channel and please share this video as well. And if you will have any kind of query, session requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. This is my blog, and his contact us page. In this page, you will get my email ID, my WhatsApp number, and guys, I am full-time freelancer, so you can hire me as well. And also, you will get all the things free of course. See, multiple Angular things like see guys, and also the React stuff, Vue, Laravel, WordPress as well. So fan, this is it, and I must say thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel as well. So thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.